guys, so we are heading over to go check out the construction progress on the Mattel Adventure theme park, which will be having the Hot Wheels roller coasters there. It's gonna be so cool. I never drive by this place, so I have no expectations on how much construction is completed. So let's go find out. Okay, I'm driving over here and I'm getting kind of excited. I see some cranes in the distance. Ah! Here's how it's looking on the drive right now, you guys. That's the main hotel situation right there. It's looking cool, looking pretty good. Lots of things built, it seems. There's still much more to be constructed though. I just realized I was talking in somewhat of a British accent just then. I don't really know where that came out. That just kind of happened. I did not realize I was doing that. So I just parked in this apartment complex that's right next to the park. Got a little bit of a walk to get over there to see the construction, but that's where we're heading. So here we go. Oh my gosh. For a moment there, I didn't see the pedestrian gate, so I didn't think I could just like walk out. I got a little scared. Hopefully that's open when I come back. Also, I'm super jealous of everyone living in this complex. It's right next to the park. They're gonna have such easy access to it. All right, you guys, we are coming up on the construction site now. There's the apartment complex that I just parked in and walked out of. And right next to the construction, we've got the State Farm Stadium. Looks kind of cool. It's really big. So over in this area, from the renderings, this is where the parking lot's gonna be and the Hot Wheels roller coaster. So still no work on the coaster, it seems. I'm trying to spot any footers or any sort of hints as to where the coaster layout is actually going to be. We've got some markings set up out here. I don't know anything about construction really, but that could be an indicator of where the support footers might go. Or that could just be something that's indicating the parking lot. Totally just guessing here. Here is the Army fleet of trucks and equipment and other crazy things used for constructing this beast of a resort and everything. Oh, okay, that's good to know. Well, I don't plan to go beyond the fence, so we'll be fine. Yeah, look at all of that. Shh, you guys, they're sleeping. Don't wake them. They need their rest. Over here, we've got a giant pile of dirt. Very exciting. There's some more trucks. Crystal Lagoon Construction Access. Very cool. We got some more signs over here. But it's the Lagoons Island Resort. Good job, Fisher Sand and Gravel Co. You're really doing all the sand and gravel out here. Good job. Very proud of you. Over here is more where the resort's gonna go. That is the actual part of the hotel being built over there. And there's gonna be a whole bunch of other like shops and stuff out around this area. I wonder if they've dug much of the lagoon that's supposed to be in the middle. Right now, there's a gigantic mound of dirt, it looks like, where that would go. So interesting. We got, oh, hello. We got some pipes over there. I was really hoping to find at least some sort of roller coaster piece somewhere, but I guess we're just still a little too early in the project for that right now. If anyone watching this video works on the project, I would absolutely love to like take a legit tour of this place if that could be arranged in any way. If you've got some connections, that'd be super awesome. Comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram or something and let's try to like get connected on this. Just beyond the resort there, you can see the Topgolf facility. I still have never been to Topgolf. It looks like a lot of fun. I've never really golfed before either, but you know, I'm always down to smack some balls at any opportunity that I get, so I definitely want to get over to Topgolf sometime. I'll take you guys with me whenever I go. Here's another shot of the lagoon. Sales office over there, looks like. Interesting. We got a gigantic pit being dug over here. Very cool. I'm gonna try to walk around the other side and get some shots over there. We are running out of daylight quickly though. I don't know if I'll be able to make it in time. Wait. Oh no, I'm just now realizing I totally could have parked right here, I guess. There's a car-sized entrance right there to this parking lot. There's an empty police car here. I don't know if there's an actual officer here or not. Maybe it would have been a problem if I parked here, but maybe not, because I'm literally just out here walking around anyway. Well, now I know where to park for future construction update videos. We're almost to the other side now. Here's a quick shot of the construction so far of the hotel. You know, it's interesting. This is supposed to open this summer and it's January. It doesn't look like a whole lot has been done, but I did see a comment actually from one of you guys who do work on this project discussing their hours going up. Hopefully things speed up a lot faster and we get to see some more development between these construction vlogs. box. We got some big doors. Check that out. I feel a little sketched out walking along this road right here. There's really no traffic, but I don't know. I always get nervous walking next to large roads like this. Yo, check out that sweet chair. Lots and lots of pipes. Pipes galore out here. Look at all this stuff. There's the building. Oh, guess what, you guys? More pipes. This is kind of cool right here. You can see into this big hole, see into some underground floors here. Oh, hey, that's a nice shot. Crystal Lagoons Island Resort. Cool, cool. Alrighty, well, I think we've seen just about everything there is to really see right now. So I'm heading back to the car. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like. It really helps me out. Comment down below to just say hey and I'll respond to you. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye. Update, made it through the gate.